Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create and send invoice on Chase Bank. Alright, so let's begin. To get started, simply sign in to your Chase account. Once you're logged in, head over to Collect and Deposit. On the right hand side, you'll see an option called Create Invoices. Click on it, and when the new page opens, select Activate, then click on Update Settings. Next, you'll be asked to choose the address you want to show your customers. Select the option you prefer and click Next. After that, make sure you choose at least one contact method, such as your email or phone number. Once selected, click Review, then click Save. You'll see a confirmation message saying your business information has been saved. Now, click on Create Invoice to move forward. At this stage, you'll need to fill in the invoice details. Enter the customer's name, then click on Set Invoice Number. You can start with a number like 1001 or enter your own custom number, then click Save. Below this section, you can add more details by clicking on Add Customer Info, which will open additional fields for you to complete. Scroll down until you reach the Items section and click on Add an Item. Here, enter the item name, price, and quantity. Make sure the toggle option is turned on, then click Save and Close, or choose Add another item if you need to include more. You can also add a tax rate by clicking Add a Tax Rate, entering the percentage and name, and then saving it. Once everything is filled in, scroll down and check the required boxes, then click on Preview Invoice. This will show you how the invoice looks. From here, you can scroll down and choose to save draft or create invoice. After creating it, you'll be able to copy the invoice or download it by clicking download as PDF. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create and send invoice on Chase Bank. So that's all for this video.